Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable Hey Google on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to disable or enable Hey Google, we need to open the settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to Google. After that, we will need to switch to all services over here. Then scroll down and go to settings for Google Apps, and then go to search Assistant and Voice. Over here, go to Google Assistant. And finally, at the top, we have Hey Google and Voice Mesh. Go there. And then in order to enable or disable Hey Google, we need to tap on this slider over here. If we enable Hey Google, and we didn't do that before, we will need to set up our voice. So we will need to get through the voice recognition in order to get our voice. So let's click I agree. And now we need to repeat the sentences that will be displayed on our screen. So in this case, we need to say, "Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" And then we need to do that several times. Once you complete all these sentences, then you can start using this feature. So after you complete the voice recognition, go next. Once you complete it, you can see that the Hey Google feature is enabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!